Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can get your balance certificate from RBC Bank. In order to do so, here we are at rbcroyalbank.com, and let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI in order to get the answer to our question. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI chat models at any given time. And according to Cider, to get a balance certificate from RBC Bank, generally you can follow these steps. First, you could visit the bank, go to your nearest RBC Bank personally, or if you're registered for online banking, log into your account. Many banks allow you to request a balance certificate or statement directly through their platform. You can also call RBC customer service or visit the branch and request a balance certificate. You might need to fill out a form or provide identification. Some branches require a written request specifying the account details and the period for which you need the certificate. You may need a valid ID, account details, your number, or the reason for the certificate. Check if you can do this online or via mobile banking first to save time. Some banks do charge a fee for issuing certificates depending on the type and purpose. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.